Stop! Please! Have pity on us! We didn't do anything wrong! Don't hurt us! But the two boys did not stop. They laughed, shouted, and kept throwing stones. The two little kids who is coming away, avoiding more trouble. There was still laughing hilariously when suddenly four big teenagers locked their pads and looked angrily at them. And what do you think were you doing? The tallest of the group angrily remarked, "Why you're bullying those little children? You think you're stronger, smarter, better than we are?" Another snorted. "How would you feel if we would also hurt you and make fun of you?" The group looked so menacing that the two boys got quiet. "Look, we don't mean any harm. We promise not to do that again. Please let us go," they pleaded. "We will not make fun or hurt anyone again." "So now you're getting a load of your own medicine. We will let you go, but make good on your promise because we're watching you." The group left, leaving the two boys behind.